In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your username on your Discord app. So first of all, what you will need to do is head over to your Discord app. Once you are on your Discord here, what you need to do is click on your profile picture in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Once you click on this, as you can see, you'll get all of your user settings and everything like that. And in today's video, we will need to click on My Account. Click on My Account, and then as you can see at the top there will be an option for username, and if you click on username, what that will allow you to do is it will allow you to change your username. So once you are on this page here, as you can see, you can change your username and you can also change your tag. But if you click on the tag, what you will find is that you need to be subscribed to Nitro if you want to change that. But you can go ahead and change your username if you want to do that. So what I will do is I will put in 2min tuts, for example. Once you have put in that and you are happy, you can click on the little floppy disk icon in order to save it. Once you click on that, you need to enter in your password to confirm changes. So once you enter in your current password, the floppy disk will then be available to click again. Click on that, and then that will mean that your new username will then be saved to your account. So it's just as simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.